stop feeding the chickens chicken nuggets. Even though they don't know what's going on, it's still morally wrong.
Bro, we ran out of chicken feed and they still need to be fed. Sorry, bro.
Y'all want to know something crazy? This year at the state fair, I had the heaviest pig. And for my prize, they gave me my pig's weight in bacon.
Wait, FFA actually holds competitions, and what kind of competition is that? There's no skill involved.
Oh man, look at that goat over there. A boy can only dream about having a goat that nice.
I mean, the goats are kind of cool, I guess, but I think I'd rather have a dog. The goats are kind of smelly.
And remember, guys, we gotta get a birthday cake for Billy. Who's Billy? He's our oldest rooster, of course.
A birthday cake for a rooster? Weren't we planning on eating him next week?
Y'all out here drinking 2% milk? Me personally, I just drink it straight from the udder.
Straight from the udder? What other freaky crap do you do?
On my free time, I'd usually go mudding or hunting, or I even sometimes work on my tractor.
My free time? Oh, I don't do any of that farming crap. I just play video games.
My favorite car? I mean, if we're excluding the tractors, then it's gotta be a Jeep Wrangler.
My favorite car's gotta be a Lambo. Like, you will never catch me in a tractor. But honestly, they probably cost just as much.